Hey guys, I'm Munti from aerotechplusone and welcome to your fifth tutorial for batch programming. Now in this tutorial it's going to be interesting because it's going to be actually the main thing that makes your program look simple. And that is if statements, if else and else if. Right now it's going to pop up the syntax to you guys. Now for if, your syntax is this, what you see here right now. I'm going to paste this link to description in the description for you guys. I also going let's see if just paste it to the screen also. So this is what you see here right now. It's a very good example. If exists file name, the file name don't need to be a txt file, don't need to be a .txt file. You have .html, whatever. You have a batch file to search in your work files. For example, if you're creating a website or creating a program, you want to check if every file is actually there. When you save your files, it's going to be returned to a text file. So from a text file, you can copy it to a batch file and check if every single file is there. So if file name.txt exists, then for it will echo built-in file name.txt. In this case, it's going to echo out this here on the screen. It's going to echo that what it's going to do is delete the file name.txt, then run the command delete file name.txt. Else, if it's not found, if file name.txt isn't found in the folder assigned, then therefore it's going to echo out the file was not found. Let's take another example for you guys. There's something also, here it is. Main things you should know is these comparative operators. Use EQU for equal, NEQ for not equal, LEQ or whatever. Also will be in what I'll be sending to you. I think I'll actually send you guys the whole folder, so in case you don't want to use the internet or going out, you can not be able to browse the internet. You can actually just watch it locally of your device through the saved HTML file. So I'm going to use the exist one first. So first of all, you have add echo of. I'm going to save this on the desktop as check.bat. While at echo is off, it's going to echo we are checking for a file presently. As soon as Z code is run, that's what you'll see first. Then you're going to have if let's see, I was thinking about creating the file and then deleting it through batch file by writing to it like in the last tutorial, but that really have to be done by using menus and whatever. So I'm just going to create the file as index.php. Okay, this is the file we're going to delete off the computer. I'll put it more in the corner here so we can actually see it being deleted. So if exist index.php, then we're going to have, I didn't use indenting, I usually use space. I didn't use tab, I use space. Don't actually know what the tab will do, so I'll use space in this case. So if index.php exists, then it's going to echo let's say echo p I echo h1. Welcome. But the actual problem with this will be you can actually code with it. You can't code with it because it has the greater than sign here already, which will be confusing. So it's going to echo home. You're going to assign it to index.php. I think then we can got it differently. Else okay, it's going to delete that file if it doesn't exist. You're going to delete that file, delete index.php. First of all, it's going to echo deleting file. You also have a user input to input a what you want to delete. What you want to check if it exists, and the command there. So therefore, you're going to first of all you're going to echo if it's true. Echo deleting file. You're going to delete that file here. Now, if it doesn't exist, then it's going to echo home to index.php. It's going to echo the text home within that file. You're going to pause. Also, you're not going to pause it, just going to save it. Check that bat. So this is the syntax of it. If, then we have this here. You also have if. I'll show you guys again. We have comparative operators, LEQ, LSS, I think. So we also have equal. I think you guys saw equal a lot. Do a case insensitive string comparison, that's even compare strings. You're going to use greater than GTR. So if for greater than 7, then you can also have a create a guessing game also with a set variable. So if it's greater than or less than, and if only one attempt or 3 attempts. So if this is greater than 7, it's going to echo greater than. You're going to have a pause here also. So all this will be run on the screen, and all this also. So you're going to have pause here. CLS. You're going to run this file. Now that's why you check the bat. That's one the problem I always have with this computer. Here it is. It's saved right below here. I'm filling that space. So run check.bat. See user desktop. I forgot that I delete index.php. So I should delete that file. The file is deleted. Enter. Now you can run it again. We are checking the file. We are checking for a file presently. So right now, the first run actually run this code here. You're going to echo deleting the file, and you're going to delete the file. Now we run it again. So this one was true, the file did exist on the desktop. So we deleted the file. Now secondly, we're going to write to the file home, the text home. We're going to write home to the file in index of PHP. So since the file didn't exist, now the file will be into existence. So right there, you created the file. You can edit that with Nova++. We have the text home in it. And to continue that also, we are pressing the key to continue. You should actually have CLSA. My bad. It's actually correct because this is it for this tutorial, guys, and see you in the next tutorial.